MSK லைஃப் கிளினிக் ஃபவுண்டேஷன். இது வாழ்வியல் மேம்பாட்டு நிறுவனம். சேனலை முதல் முறையாக பார்க்குறீங்கன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் பட்டன் அமுத்துங்க, மேலும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள்.
This morning, how do you feel, teachers? How do you feel this morning? Fresh, energetic? Okay. Keep it up for the whole section. Okay. So let's start the today's section with the prayer. I would like to invite our 5th standard girl, Shabnam, to say the prayer. To invite today's chief guest, brother MSK Muhainuddin. So please come and take your seat on the dais, sir. Can we have a big round of applause? And I would like to invite our President of Present Educational Welfare Society, Brother Abdul Wahab, sir. And I would like to invite our founder member of Present Educational Welfare Societies, Brother Shahjahan, sir. On the dais, sir. And I would like to invite management member Dr. Abdul Ghafoor, sir, to please take your seat on the dais, sir. Teachers, what is this? Come on. Okay, let's start. It's my honor to stand in front of you all and give away the welcome speech. A good welcome unites and sets the tone for the event. You must be puzzled. What is this workshop is all about, right? How many of you clear about today's workshop? Any idea? Okay, I can see all puzzled face, you know. Okay, so we'll get the answer very soon, right? Okay, let me give the brief introduction about today's chief guest. That is Brother MSK Muhainuddin has been a passionate advocate of applied mindset knowledge, psychology to the childhood life to professional life. MSK, he is well known as a MSK. What is MSK? Mindset knowledge. Okay, and has addressed conferences, television shows, radios, provided lectures and training in multiple forums, including educational institutions and industries. He has addressed more than lakhs people at ground training and 80,000 people at individual therapy in India. He is a psychologist and also completed research on various topics. Some are occupational stress and job satisfaction among computer professionals, working memory in relation to ability and crystallized intelligence, professional certificate, soft skill training in Europe, and also founder of new MSK Formula for Life Improvement. MSK's passion for human life improvement inspired him to start clinic for life, collaborating with his own MSK theory and formula. MSK Life Clinic is India's first clinic to improve human life without drugs by modifying the mindset. Mindset knowledge to develop the individual's education, economical, social status and healthy mind, as well as to improve the industrial productivity with profit. MSK's successful achievements are many, but I would like to mention here few. Okay. So far they applied MSK training and therapy to more than 80,000 students from pre-primary to college level, even professional level. Their performance remarkably improved from 10% to 90%. To be underlined here, the improvement seems to be 10% to 90%. It makes enough sense. Thank you. At educational as well as the behavioral to social family responsible manner. After best result of students level success, step by step, they applied MSK's formulas to school, colleges, industries, companies, and in many forms. From child, student, faculties, parents, CEO, staff, marketing people, salesperson, workers, including vehicle drivers. I suppose I didn't miss out anybody. All the circle of the people has been covered here, right? So this is applied to all sector of the people in the society, right? Okay. More than 327 schools and colleges results are improved, and 275 industries in the production, services and profit level improved. 3,860 divorcees are rejoined. Something great. Okay. 2,980 suicidal minds are recovered to lead life with wealth and happiness. Suicide is something that people just end up their life out of frustration. They don't know what to do. They just would like to end up with their life. But that is not the solution, Running away from your problem is not a solution, right? But this theory helped them out and brought them back in their happy life. Okay, so it's really something great. It's like we say, it is our. We are delighted to have brother MSK to with us today, and I would like to thank you very much for coming all the way from Coimbatore, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming. And even I would like to thank our management for taking such a great effort, right? Okay, so first, before handing over the mic to brother, I would like to invite Dr. Mohammad Hassan to say a few words on this evening.
தமிழா பேச போறேன். ஏன்னா எல்லாமே இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்லிட்டாங்க. அதுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ்ல உங்களுக்கு கான்செப்ட் கிடைக்கும். சரிங்களா? எம்எஸ்கே மொய்தீன் அவர்கள் வந்து 15 வருஷமாக இதை பற்றி செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்காங்க. பெரும்பாலும் நீங்க எல்லாரும் நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்கன்னா சைக்காலஜி டாக்டர் தான் ஒன்லி மைண்ட் மாறுறவங்களுக்கு, அதாவது இந்த மாதிரி தான் நினைச்சிட்டு இருப்பீங்க. பட் இதுக்கு அதுக்கு சம்மந்தமே கிடையாது. இது வந்து நம்மளுடைய பர்சனல் ஸ்கில் டெவலப்மெண்ட் பண்றதுக்காக பண்ணிருக்காங்க. டாக்டர் மொய்தீன் அவங்க வந்து இது வரைக்கும் 10 லட்சம் மக்கள்கிட்ட சந்திச்சிருக்காங்க. கிட்டத்தட்ட 85,000 90,000 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸை வந்து மாத்திருக்காங்க. இதுக்கு எல்லாமே பேப்பர் ரெக்கார்ட்ஸ். இப்போ எல்லாமே ஃபீட்பேக் உங்கள்கிட்ட நாங்கள் வாங்குவோம். அந்த ஃபீட்பேக்கோட எனக்கு 90,000. இதில் வந்து கிட்டத்தட்ட 3000 சூசைடு கேஸுங்களை வந்து பண்ண முடியாத பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. கிட்டத்தட்ட 4000 கேஸுங்களை வந்து டைவர்ஸ் கேஸுங்களை வந்து நினைச்சிருக்காங்க. இதோட பெரிய விஷயம் என்னன்னா வந்து 15 பிச்சைக்காரர்களை வியாபாரியாக மாற்றிருக்கிறார். இதுதான் ஒரு விஷயம். 15 பிச்சைக்காரர்களை வியாபாரியாக மாற்றிருக்காரு. எப்படின்னா வந்து கீரை வியாபாரம், இந்த வியாபாரம், பேப்பர் போல இந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்கள். இதோட பெரிய ஒரு விஷயம், 4 கொலைகாரர்கள் உலகத்திலேயே ஒரு ஜெயில போய் கைதிகள் வந்து 4 கொலைகாரன் நான் இனிமேந்து கொலை செய்ய மாட்டேன்னு சொல்லி அங்க உள்ள எஸ்பி கிட்டே இருக்காங்க. அதாவது நீங்க போலீஸ் ட்ரைனிங்ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு எல்லாத்துக்குமே சார் வந்து ஒரு அற்புதமான ஒரு இது கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இது இல்லாம வந்து இவங்க வந்து யூகேல வந்து மனித இதுக்காக வந்து பட்டம் வாங்கினவங்க 6E ப்ரோக்ராம்ன்றதுல வந்து ஒரு அற்புதமான மனித மேம்பாட்டு இதுக்கு இது பண்றாங்க. கோயம்புத்தூர்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெரும்பாலும் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ்க்கு இவங்க தான் தெரியும், பெரிய இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜஸ் எல்லாமே பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. இவங்களோட இது நம்ம மக்களுக்கு வந்து சேரணும்ன்ற ஒரு இதுல பல வகையில பண்ணிருக்காங்க. இதுல ஒரு ரெண்டே ஒரு இது மட்டும் நான் சொல்றேன் உங்களுக்கு. ஏன்னா சைக்காலஜிக்கல வேற என்ன பண்ண முடியுன்றதுக்காக நான் ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு உதாரணம் சொல்றேன். ஆக்சுவலா டாக்டர்ன்ற முறையில நம்ம சென்னையில வந்து 23 வருஷமா திக்குவாய் ஸ்டாமர் தெரியுங்களா? திக்குவாய் இந்த 23 வருஷ கேஸ் வந்து ஒரே சிட்டிங்ல அவங்க வந்து இதை எடுத்திருக்காங்க. அது வந்து ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிருக்கோம் நாங்க. ரெண்டாவது வந்து இப்போ வரதுக்கு ஒரு 2 நாளைக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து 13 வயசு பையன், பேர் வந்து ஃபசல். அவனுக்கு வந்து வாயில கேன்சர், கையில கேன்சர், வாயில கேன்சர். ஜஸ்ட் 6 மந்த்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி வந்து அந்த பையனுக்கு என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, கம்ப்ளீட்டா போய் 30 கியூமோ பண்ணி கியூர் ஆயிடுச்சு. திருப்பி ஸ்கூலுக்கு போன உடனே திருப்பி அவனுக்கு கேன்சர் வந்துருச்சு. திருப்பி ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் வந்தாங்க. திருப்பி ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் வரும்போது ஏன் வருதுன்னு சொல்லி பார்க்கும்போது முன்னாடி நாங்க கிளம்புறதுக்கு ஒரு நாளைக்கு முன்னாடி கேட்டா அவனுக்கு ஸ்கூலுக்கு போறதுக்கு மனம் இல்லை. அவங்க தாயாரை கூப்பிட்டு சொன்னோம், இவனை நீங்க ஸ்கூலுக்கு அனுப்பாம இருந்தா கேன்சர் சரியாயிடும். இது எதுக்காக சொல்ல வரேன்னா, ஒரு மனிதனோட ஆழ் மனதில் எதை இருக்குதோ அதை வெளியே கொண்டு வந்து அதுக்கு மருந்து மாத்திரை இல்லாமல் சொல்யூஷன் கிடைக்கும். இந்த மாதிரியானது சைக்காலஜி சொல்லி அந்த மாதிரி நினைச்சாரு உங்களை நம்ம டெவலப் பண்றது எப்படி எல்லா வகையிலுமே இருக்கு. இது வந்து நமக்கு வந்திருக்கிற ஒரு அற்புதமான வாய்ப்பு. இது வந்து எல்லாருமே பயன்படுத்திக் கொள்ளுமாறு மிக அன்புடன் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன்.
I suppose those who are understanding Tamil must have got Sir's point, and those who are not understanding, and for them I would like to translate it in a brief. So what Sir has said about whatever I read it out from that. Okay, apart from that, recent things what they have done it in the clinic is, Sir, because of his counselings, the beggars have turned as the workers.
Businessman.
Okay, businessman. Okay, workers, the beggars have turned as a businessman. Begging is a very easy job. They'll get the money without doing anything. But Sir's counseling has changed their mindset, and they have become a businessman. Okay, they started working. That's a great thing. And then second thing, Sir has visited the prisoner in the jail and consulted them. Okay, even they have changed their mind. Prison means all kinds of criminals will be there. Even even murderers. Okay, so murderers, Sir has done the counseling with them, and they have changed their minds. Okay, and even in Chennai, the recent case, a boy he was suffering of stammering for a long time, but because of his counseling, in one setting, he was able to get cure of his problem. Okay, and then a recent one, 13-year-old boy, his name is Fazal. He had a mouth cancer. Okay, he had underwent a long treatment and all. So Sir has consulted him. And because of that, actually, when he goes to school, maybe the other children used to, criticize him, they neglect him, something like. So because of that, still he had a more problem. So Sir told them not to go to school. What is that exactly?
Yeah. Stopping.
Okay, so Sir told them to stop them from the school, because what happens, maybe the cancer you have on your body, but it affects the mind also. When others keep pinpointing you, psychologically it has effect on them, right? So Sir is able to go in deep to your unconscious mind and helps you without the drugs, medicines and all. See, minds, finally we say, body, mind, soul. So mind is something, it's inner part. You just see the outer one, but what is inside? That is very important. So Sir is able to go to your deeper mind, your unconscious mind, and get your problem and get solution for that. Right? So this is a great thing. So that's what. If I've done any mistake, please excuse me. With brother MSK, so I would like to hand over the mic to brother MSK to start the session. I just want all the teachers to completely concentrate. Okay? Thank you.
And the cluster, correspondent, and secretaries, and all committee members, and also presented teachers. Yes? And also my dear friend, the coordinator of this project, Mr. Shah Jahan, and also Dr. Hasim is my best friend, and another one more my best friend, Dr. Ghafoor, and all my teachers. I am really very very happy to meet you. I feel happy. Are you feel happy? Yes. Something somewhat people so today it's a Friday. In Tamil we call it a Sunday. You know the Sunday, Saturday? Okay. So it's a good Friday, I think. Yes, if you feel it's a good, it will become a Friday. Otherwise, it will be Friday. Yes. Okay. So I am really happy. Before that, I start my program. Most of the people feel as a psychologist means. Yes. Okay. My bad name is like that. Whenever I talk about I'm a psychologist. Oh, are you doctor to that person? So that I eliminated this term. So I find my theory, already madam has explained mindset. Okay. So I formulated my theory, and also I called my theory, my name is MSK. MSK is not my initial, my invention. Okay. Okay, good. So what I invented, it became an initial. Okay. I think from today you are changing your initial by initiating your inner side. I am more confusing you. Are you correct? Yes, okay. So, dear my teachers, I think you may amazed about my result. I talk to face more than 10 lakhs people, individually more than 85,000 students. How it is possible? By single? Yes, possible. For that, I worked more than 15 years. When I started my career after the completion of psychology, nobody accepted me. Okay, when I start to understand, I am a psychologist, I can be able to give your children to the studies means, how you feel my children are mental? Why I want to get rental? Okay, so I struggled so, sometimes I am also depressed. How can I try to understand that people? The people also think about psychologist means he is also having, he also will have had. So both are same. Okay. So I struggled a lot. Such a time I got good friendship like Dr. Asim and so many people. Now I got Mumbai so many my brothers and sisters. From today I adopted you, my sister and brothers and also my friends. Okay? Are you feel happy, unhappy? Thank you. I mean, when psychologists adopted me means what will happen? Christian school part okay? It became an asylum? No, nothing. You are all became a very best people today. I really appreciate you because I heard about the result. Some of one won the best Maharashtrian teachers award. Yes. Who? I want to see that person, please. Where? Jayashree madam. Yes. And also one physical director, physical education department, she has also best teacher award. Who? HMS. Who is HMS? Medical problem. That's why it's better. Sometimes they feel it's when Dr. Maili has come here. No. Are you visible to me? Can you visible me? No. Only these people are good. Central people is us. Behind the camera. Okay. So it is better to move here and there. Then only you can able to understand. Okay. I think better to move your neck to that camera. Yes. Cameraman can move here and there, but you cannot able to move. What will happen? Friday, we give me Friday. Okay. Before I start a session, you have to understand about the myth of the psychology. But I eliminated my terms. Okay. So what do you mean? Which parts of the organ operating our body? Tell me. Brain. Tell me. Brain. Brain. How many people say brain? Be right. Okay. Be right. Okay. So all are having the brain. Confirmed? Some people say, maybe. After that, we are calling, some people are committed wrong. Immediately we are telling us that he is not having such a quantity. That's the problem, main problem. Okay. So all are having the brain. Yes. Whether it is having or not having, but you have to accept this fact. Okay. Yes. All are having the brains, but I found the one doubt. Most of the people cannot be able to win in their life. Yes, correct or not? Life. You know what do you mean life? What do you mean life? One more question. Tell me, what do you mean life? Tell me.
The time which we are spending from our birth up to the
Very good. Make a clap for the teachers. We know everything, but we don't know everything. Okay? Most of the answer is already we know, but we feel as it may be wrong. Maybe. Why I want to get morning day dose? It's better to close. Yeah? So all are getting the brain, but not develop in the life. So as the madam told me, life is a gap between the birth to death. Some people it may get harmful. You know though, peg, not beg. So distance between birth to death is called life. This life may be for you. You may be intelligent. In your life may be intelligent, or sometimes it may be idiot. You may be brilliant. Sometimes not brilliant. Some people in life poor. Some people rich. Some people can be a worker. Some people be a owner. Okay. Some people become an idiot. Some people are intelligent. So this doubt created in mind. Which factor disturbing or developing the life? Okay. Because as theory says, somebody Vastu is not good. You know Vastu? No Vastu. In Tamil Nadu, most of the people only look, wherever they go to bathroom, they only look at the Vastu. You know Vastu Shastra. This is a problem. You know Vastu Shastra. Some building code is put by the ancient people. So you have to put the kitchen here. You have to put the bathroom here. That will be there. Out of the room 4. Okay. So most of the people, all the people have the brain. As per theory, if a brain means it operates to all. Okay, same way. So that medical people are living in the same theory. What's the problem? There's a problem solved. Only sitting the something is problem solved. So my theory is replacing the knowledge. Yes, correct? So when you want to develop your life, we are always living in the same dead old knowledge. Okay, but we are not updating our knowledge. Knowledge means not only knowledge in studies subject, but studies in your life. Okay, are you consulted with beauticians? How many people are consulted with beauticians? You are not consulted with beauticians. Haircut? No, hair plucking, painting. Why? I think not providing so much of fees even the school. Even I cannot able to hair my comb, oil my hair, sir. So many problems we have. Yeah. So that's you have to think about that. All are having the brain, but that others people cannot be able to win the life because of most of the people sell disease or fat. Nothing is. Your brain is operated only physical system. You know this physical system. If you have a problem, head pain, neck pain, back pain, whatever pain, you are immediately go approach the doctor. They call it as a physician. They give some medicine or drug to the malalignment to change their function in the organic level. Okay, but my theory is all the people having the brain but cannot able to win in the life because which factor determine the life factor, life winning process me. I found the not brain, the another one system is available. That system called mind. Okay, this is in the head of psychology. The world first theory invented by me. This is what. Okay, you are consulting only physician for the physical problem, but we are not consulted for the life problem. Yes, correct or not? Yes. Okay. So mind is where it is functioning not at the head of psychological system. Brain is at the head of physiological system. If we want to win the life, we have to change the brain or mind. Brain change, what will happen? What will happen? Dull, mental. Okay. That's why you have to first of all know the understanding theory, then only we can able to go further sessions. It will be. So one thing, I am not giving any advice or counseling because counseling is you are doing very well. So saying something to someone is called a counseling, but I am not giving any counseling. I am only therapeutically altering the dysfunction of the mind. Okay. So the mind is the main factor that determine your life. Okay. So how can you understand your brain is very well? Can you give any examples, sir? My brain is very well. Tell me any ordinary examples. Tell anything. No. Tell me. So politicians are having such a problem. Politician. Some.
Yeah, you can say that they are confused, but they are confused to use the corrupted money in the wrong direction, not for the goodness of the country.
If you go to start such a topic to them, they will be, I am only correct. They other people doesn't know the creativity of the thefting something. Okay, so how can you prove that brain is okay means you may be affected by the relation or something affected by the paralysis. Okay, paralysis means you can the one side of head or leg or cannot be able to move. Okay, that is why if you scan, so the doctors or give the impression report as that he is having the cyst in the what brain or tumor in the brain. If affected something in the brain, automatically one side portion will not be functioning well. So that we can able to prove that we are moving our head, leg and hand means our brain is okay. Now our brain is okay. Okay or not okay?
Because our body is functioning properly.
You can able to move something your head and yes? Okay. How can you prove that your mind is okay? That's a $1 million question. Okay. Your brain is automatically you can able to understand your brain is okay. Okay. If any malfunction in your brain, it will be automatically few seconds you can be able to understand. It is also visible to all. Yes? Yes. No sir. The one my relative was paralyzed attracted, but she found only after 10 years. How many hours or minutes needed if we are paralyzed? Second? Same second? Yes. But if your mind paralyzed means it's take more than 10 years. Sometimes it cannot, it is unable to understand even at the time of death. Okay. So that's my first theory. So how can you prove your mind?
I have tried my level. We can say that now.
Yes, doctor is saying, I tried my level best. So probably what may delivered your answer is that I cannot get memory. Yes? Yes? Even though that teachers are delivered same lesson lecture to the all students, someone is picked, some others cannot able to pick. Yes? Nowadays, someone picked someone. Okay. It is terrible to understand. Okay, no problem. So first of all, your mind working well means you can get the enlightened in your education. That's my first theory. Okay? If you are get enlightened, even you or your child or something, when mind is good means he may elevate it, he can able to exalt it in the education. First theory. Second, another one theory is, if mind is functioning very well, we can use the economic. We can utilize the economic what resources allotted for us. Okay, the most of the people saying that like, if I got 1 lakh salary, I will go away. Nothing. Most of the people are only thinking as the imaginary, Laddi Gasaya in Tamil language. Okay, first of all, if you can able to utilize your economic utility means your system is okay. Then another is, you are working in the crescent school, you are valued by some other peoples very well. Yes, correct? Only few voices are I'm hearing. Yes? Okay. So you can able to achieve the socially status means your system is okay. Then another one is health. Most of the people, I think some people are put the leave Friday. Yesterday they correspondent all teachers must come because of the Dr. Maini is coming. Yes sir, I have somebody. Please check it me. Somewhat feverish. Okay. Sometimes they may feel as a feverish, even though sent to the doctors for diagnosis purpose. Doctor reported as that no fever. But patient says, I have fever, I only know. How can you know? You don't know. Okay. Some people are always, my heart is always somewhat beating. It's a husband. So I'm waiting for the good time when it stops. Okay. Some people are like that. Even go to the doctor says something, even scan, band, everything. Even PAN card also taking something. The report is nil. Husband, if you say to the husband, the report is nil, then the husband will say, only wherever you are nil, that only the problem will solve. Okay? So you have the feeling and problem as what you physically disturbed, but you can feel, but the medical report is not good, not as seen. So that means you are having the problem. That is called a psychosomatic disorder. This health is must, so that if the mind is very well means you get enlightened education as well as economic utility, then social status, another one is health. For changing this process, I found new methodology which is called set, mind, set, knowledge. So what are the knowledge set in your mind that operate your life? Is correct or not? Yes? So if you want to win the life, you have to do the knowledge replacement therapy to improve our life. Okay? Because you are all very, I found this campus is a very best campus. You are all enlightened teachers. I am really happy. Okay? Why you are forgot to clap?
Complete focus about it.
Yes, very good. I like very much. Some people are saying focus, sometimes out of focus. I think doctor never completes talk until 2:30. But I promised only I will come at 12:30. What will happen? Sometimes thinking is like that. This is also focusing. This is also one of the focusing. Okay, so I think you are focusing on me only. Yes? Thank you. So this system is very important one. Okay. Okay. So that the teachers, they have to change our life system, lifestyle by understanding the knowledge. Okay. So first of all, I am really happy to meet you because from today you have to energize your life. Disease is there. Sir, you are visiting doctor means what purpose you are visiting the doctor? Huh? What purpose? Huh? Tell me. Ill health. Okay. Okay. Anybody visiting the doctor for health? What purpose you are visiting the doctor? Ill health. But not will health. Okay. You are not will health. You only fail in health. You must hardly visiting the doctor. Okay. So simply what you mean call means you are visiting the doctor to fear of the death. Because yes, correct. Yes. If you are not visited, automatically 108 will visited. For that we are urging the husband or something, please you just carry on me. Okay. So same way, but we are much concerned about the physical system, but we are not much concerned about the life system. That's the main problem. So today's session I am taking the class about the occupational stress. Okay. Your teachers are so many problems. You are not only teaching the something lesson what you are instructed to you to teach something, but some parents are also teaching something to you. Very lot of things. Yes? Are you receiving a salary? Why are you not teaching very well? This question arises by parents. So students never know anything. Yeah, you know ABCD, yes, I, A, P. See, Where you see? Where are someone see? The parent doesn't accept his student fault. Yes, correct? So many problems. So that time you feel as that I am working very hard and hard. My mind is working hard and hard. Sometimes my heart also hard. Okay. First of all, you have to think, eliminate the stress. That is what kind of stress means. I am working so many time but not responsive one. I cannot be able to achieve this stress predisposed in your mind. It creates the problem. That is called one side head attack. You know, what side head attack? Micron. Okay, these are all problems. Stress the more. Okay, first of all, you have to eliminate all stresses. Please, I have the notebooks. Please. Write down my topic as a head, MSK program. MSK program. My name is Dr. MSK Mukherjee. MSK Mukherjee. Mindset knowledge consultant and performance development psychologist. MSK Life Clinic Foundation. MSK Life Clinic Foundation. Coimbatore and Chennai, very shortly in Mumbai also. Are you ready for me? Yes. Okay. My website msklifeclinic.com. msklifeclinic.com. Facebook MSK Life Clinic Foundation page. Okay. My Facebook page is MSK Life Clinic Foundations. My blog also MSK Life Clinic. My Skype Dr. MSK cell number. You know, I don't know delivered cell number. My cell number is 93. You put 0 also. Don't put 0 on me. On number 0 93 6 00 53 93 0 93 09360053930. Okay, is cell number. You want to put email, then another Dr. MSK 936.
Please would you write on the board?
I want to create the listening skill. Why you are only listening skill?
Please.
I tried. You tried this kind of test. I will give you something. How can you able to understand very well? Okay. My email drmsk same contact number without 0 93600539330 Very good number. Yes. Are you seeing any such an email in the world? No, I am only one in the world. It's a kind of email. Okay, unique emails. My Skype also. drmsk 93600539330. My Skype. Okay, very good. I think you never forget me. No. Before MSK, okay. Then after MSK, you have to put the tabulation just like that. Your entire paper divided in 2 parts. One is before MSK, after MSK. Before MSK, after MSK. Okay. Very simplest form. You can stress-free life. You can enjoy your life in teachings, because you are gift of the God. You know you are gift of the God. Don't think as you are a salary people. Don't think as you are not a worker. You are not a labor. You are a representative of God. Yes or no? Yes. How many, wherever amount is given, it is not equal to your efforts. Yes, are you accepted? Yes. You are not a salary people. If you are being a salary people, you never work here because salary people always think about the money. For simple concept, I am telling you. This is my theory, my invention. I never changed by the beggars by counseling. I changed beggars to the businessman by our mind therapy. Okay, that's the simplest formula I formulated. What is this? Beggar is aiming only money. Yes or not? Yes. Same one. Businessman also aiming money. I think all are same. How?
Status differs.
What kind of status? Facebook status? Twitter status?
Society
Tell me, what status differ? Tell me, I want the exact answer. First of all, you have to know the one answer. Whether you don't know, you know or don't know.
how much money you get, they will never get satisfied.
Okay, businessmen also same that. Same, they both are same. Both are same. So tell me how they vary each other. Huh? The world most biggest rich man is also layman. Yes? What's the difference? Tell me. Simplest answer, whether you don't know or no. Very good answer. Tell me. Tell me, don't feel about it.
Beggar asks money, the businessman makes money.
Though he is also makes money. Ask many. Many money. They also make many. He also make money. The business never stop business within one time. Okay, he also breed his business as a child. Okay, so what's the difference? Just mind-blowing program, just you have to understand what you know, nothing wrong, whether it's right or not, you don't bother about that. But you have to feel that what's the difference between two. That's called, this is my research. Tell me.
Using the mind.
Huh? But the beggars also using the mind.
Target.
Huh?
We request for money and we are always
Nothing. If you do the one ad, 1 crore is loan available. All businesses come to beg you. Please, sir, I have so many industries. Give me.
Thinks I cannot do anything, so I am begging. Businessman thinks I can.
Same may make anything you do very well. Even in railway platform, someone's collecting the waste bottle, water bottle. It is contacted by the big businessman. Nothing. Businessman see this is wrong, this is right. They want to see anything in money. Or see, he is seeing everything in the money. Oh, tell me, what's the difference? Let us come to the social, we don't know.
No, aim.
Okay? Tell me. This is a very best question, very better question. This is a wonder question. Tell me. First of all, I got to ask this question my husband. Sometime I asked the question my mom, you know the mother-in-law? What is mean of mother-in-law? As per law, she is a mother. Yes, correct. Yes, the mother is always like. Someday husband. Okay. Husband, my beggar husband, I like very much. Okay. I think some people never laugh. They always always like a Pidamagar. Because how I feel, you don't know. Some people say, why you are not laughing? I have so many problems. What could happen? No, I never tell you. So okay, and then go, no, wait. I am just telling you, I want to share with you. What kind of problem? I have so many problems. Tell me what is problem there. They always have this thing, you say very good, Titanic couple is there. Nothing, only potato is there. Okay, what's the problem? My potato vendor get more 1 rupee more from me only. That's a very heart-blowing problem. What's the problem? Okay, good. So all teachers are please we laugh. Don't laugh individually. Okay. Someone has laughed at your home and he is dying with his husband. Husband, why are you baby laughing? Dr. Moini is there, Dr. Moini is there. Oh. You laugh, whenever you start laugh, but only thing is continuously you have to choose to see the environment. Okay, another one is, okay, beggar means, only simplest logic is, beggar means only focus on money. Businessman not focus on the money, he focus on the event. Which event like money, he is only, he do the events, the automatically money will be free. So all my teachers, please, I am requesting you, please to win your life, don't focus on money. Money will come to you when you start your service. Because you are doing the very wonderful service. Clap it. Your service cannot be valued by the money. Yes? Yes. Even LKG children are talking in the mother house. Mummy, you come. Others are talking in English. Nothing. So many bad ways using. But you are saying that, hi mummy, good morning. Water, pani hai, water. So how you are teaching? Okay, you are representative of God. So is my theory. Please you consider you are not a salary people. Okay, you are a worker of God. You are a representative of God. From that you eliminate this kind of process. I am not getting so much of value to my work and also my potentiality. Nothing. Money is given by not by the correspondent. It is by correspondent to the God. Okay. Say, I am not teaching, I am teaching. I am only what I had enjoyed my life, I am telling you. Because I am only one individual, I spread out this philosophy, I struggled more than 15 years. So many psychiatrists make trouble to me. Why you are doing such a way? Whenever treating this patient, automatically I got lost the patient. Please don't treat it. But I find, I eliminate the words, I don't like the psychology, then I found the MSK mindset knowledge. So if you do the work, first time you have to understand this philosophy. If you start your work, first time all will be opposite to your work. Opposite. You get easily opposition to your work. Then another is they automatically opponent to you. They reject. Second is reject. Then another is they accept. So 3 stages how to meet. Then only your life will be treat. Otherwise you are going to treatment. Okay. So that don't pressure on you. You are not a money making people, so you have to do the service. So same way, if you start, you are aiming in same way as money, you are called as a beggar. If you start your by services, you are called a businessman. Please be frank to you, frank to me, as well as to you as facts. If you say, before this concept, are you B1 or B2? Before this concept? You have to understand. Please, you are not deceiving yourself. You are deceiving your generations. Nothing. You have to think about that. Money is needed, but money cannot be pleaded. Yes, correct? Yes. Huh? Yes. So when you start service, automatically money comes. So don't feel about that. I have visited more than 100 international schools, but I have not found such a peace as like you. They are all very. If you know the international school, they are painted well, red painted in their lip, rose painted on there, some open hip. They also talk about, I am feeling as a mental hospital. But you are very enlightened, how great you are seeing, so even though you are sleeping well, but you are immediately starting. Okay. So that I fear about that same way when you are sleeping in your home, don't try to laugh. If you want to create the laugh means please be awake and get laughter in this part only. Sometimes late wake up also. Okay. So my dear friends, you have to avoid this kind of conflict in your mind. Okay. Then another is you are teaching to so many children, but some teachers feel as sad. I am telling to anybody children, any children ask immediately accept my fact, but my children cannot accept the fact. Okay, it's the main problem. Okay, sometimes your husband or family people cannot able to expect. You are very potential people. That's the nature. What kind of nature given means? Nature always you are created you not for your family, it is for your social sense. So first of all, you have to don't press yourself. I am not valued by family. Second number, you have to eliminate this. Okay? Nothing? Okay? You have to eliminate. So first one is you are not a salary peoples. You are not enjoying anything, nothing. The time will come. For example, my friend is one of the cinema director. His last time he directed one film. That time he is thinking about the teachers from Chennai to my place, more than 600 kilometers. He travelled a long journey to 600 kilometers. He searched that 6th standard teachers. But his entire city he rounded it, but finally got results. He is now no more. But he put the name to a main character. Okay, his teacher name is Noor Jahan. Okay, that's main character because that teachers encouraged me, that teachers helped me to lot. So I never forget. But in old ways, see they no more. But he is always more in his mind. So that they my teachers don't feel about that. You will be always someone in mind. The someone will be definitely will lead to some other places. Okay. So I met one person at 2006. Immediately last 3 months he is called me, sir, are you have the passport? Yes sir, please give me, I want to show your passport. Why? Tell me, give me, I want to show, look at your passport. Immediately I given to him, sir, for 2 days I want something working. Okay, I feel it. Then immediately after the 1 week he called me, invited me to Malaysia. Because, sir, so many benefit I got from you, so I want to introduce your project to the Malaysia. So that's it, the time will come. Don't pressure yourself. So you may be depressed. Your family members cannot coordinate it. Your children not studying very well. I will help. Okay? This is a program not help you, help your family. Okay? I am available here also afternoon. You come and contact me freely. Whatever the problem with you. But everything confidence. I don't reveal to anyone. Because your service, you are giving a service, someone, and you are receiving a service from me. Okay? First of all, you have to write before MSK, what are the things you have, after the MSK, what are the things you eliminate, you have to write it from this top 10 minutes. Please write. Okay? Before the sessions, what are the things you have preoccupied in your mind, after the MSK, what are the system you changed in your life, you write it. Not for me, it is for you, it is a one medical practice, give the prescription, one mindset knowledge giving the description. To whom? Yes? About. This is a description for you, it is for you only. Please write it. Before the program, what are the stats in the mind? After this program, how you are eliminated from this. Okay, write it. Don't committed such a behavior by doctor. What will happen? At the he is prescribed something, immediately copying the something to us. What will happen? Patient will fly. Take over. Penetrate your mind. Some people are having overhead pain because of thinking so many things. Okay. Some people make to think so many things by disturbing. Okay. Are you dull? Why are you so dull? Or sometimes some people always something wrong. When I watch a newspaper, someone is attacked with death by heart attack. So such a way. Okay? Please. What are the preoccupied mind system in your mind? About that's kind of problem. These are their energy is lost also due to some unwanted wanted. Okay. We have put to watch out the more videos. At the end of this, I ask you one question. What do you understand? He is a postgraduate student. He is worked with many more schools and industrials. He telling there's nothing. What is his mindset? What is his problem? No blind, the person is not having eye. Only blind is the person cannot able to observe, get something from the others or maybe environment means he is a blind. Okay, that is a physical blindness is a mental blindness. Okay, so that how you observe it, how you utilizing this knowledge is ours is, it is only meaning of our not blindness. Okay. I think I completed. So okay. Small running race is here. Okay. Now only one test. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Running not to go home. If you requested immediately first person here crossing the border. Okay. Only உங்களுக்கு 10 minutes. What's that? This is a break, sir? Tea break. Break tea. Break tea. Okay. You take 10 minutes. After the tea break, please you can sit it wherever you come first. Okay. So from this position, don't sit alone same position. You have to change. Okay. Yes. Here. See 1 minute. Why I am this? Most of the people who are staying only there comfortable zone. Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
They are like the only comfortable zone. When you are comfortable in some places, you are also handicapped in some places. So please come out from this. You are all my sisters, my friends. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I am telling any terrible story. Why you are seeing as a sorry? Okay, please take 10 minutes. My time is.
சொல்ல முடியாத அழுத்த நினைவுகள், அடக்க முடியாத அழுகை, கட்டுப்படுத்த முடியாத கோபம், தாங்க முடியாத கஷ்டம், தன்னை யாரும் புரிந்து கொள்வதில்லை என்ற ஏக்கம், அதிகமான பயம், தூக்கமின்மை, உடல் சார்ந்த வலி, இன்னும் இது போன்று பல சிக்கல்களிலிருந்து விடுபட நாங்கள் உதவுகிறோம். அணுகவும். உளவியல் முதல் உதவிக்கு MSK ஜஸ்ட் கால் 93 602 53 930. MSK லைஃப் கிளினிக் ஃபவுண்டேஷன்.